Ayan, so magandang hapon guys, at may reaction po tayong ito sa bata na to. Yung kanyang cover song is Always Remember As This Way. Grabe, Lady Gaga yung kanyang cover song, talaga naman. So pakinggan natin yung kanyang cover song. Nasa mall po ito siya, kaya nakikita nyo naman. At hindi ko na patagalin pa, excited ko siyang pakinggan. Samahan nyo ako sa ating reaction video.
I was on the sky, running in the bars. You love me, baby. I wanna catch you on fire. It's buried in my soul, like California gold. You found the light in me that I couldn't find. So when I want you to words, and every time we say goodbye, baby, it hurts. When the sun goes down and the band won't play, I'll always remember us this way. Love is in the dark, always trying to guide. We don't know how to rhyme, but tell me try. But I already know you're where I wanna go. The part of me that's you will never die. So when I want you home and I can't find the words, and every time we say goodbye, baby, it hurts. When the sun goes down and the band won't play, I'll always remember us this way. Oh yeah, I don't wanna be just a memory, baby. So when I want you gone and I can't find the words, and every time we say goodbye, baby, it hurts. When the sun goes down and the band won't play, I'll always remember us this way. When you look at me and the whole face, I'll always remember us this way.
Ayan, so grabe ni Clet Sigalan. Ayan, yung batang nag-cover song nito. Grabe, at pwede siya sumali sa mga contest guys, lalo na sa The Voice Kids. Also, pwede siya sumali doon. And nakakitaan ko rin na maganda yung kanyang vocal range at malinaw yung pagkakakanta, yung lyrics pa lang, ano? At ano siya, yung consistent yung kanyang boses niya. So pagka high notes, talaga natural yung kanyang labas ng boses. At all good, wala akong masabi sa performance ng bata. So more cover song, more singing lang. And that's all. Once again, thank you so much. Huwag niyo kalimutan mag-subscribe, his life.